I could do it. Hey folks, this is Jeff from This Week with JTT. And I ran out of mayonnaise, so should I go to the store or should I make my own? I always want to try that, so today we're going to make our own mayonnaise using simple ingredients. Olive oil, not extra virgin, as turns to a popular belief. Extra olive oil is good, but probably extra olive oil, if you blend it too much, if I heard correctly, it'd be too bitter. It will overwhelm the other foods you're trying to mix it with. So this one has got light tasting olive oil. That's one. That's one of the ingredients I have. Of course, you need 1 egg. That'd be more than enough. What else? You need half a lemon. Goes without saying. I didn't know this too. Dijon mustard, of course. The classic. Salt. Okay, this is salt. This is pepper. This is not salt. This is not pepper. Yeah, I'm dyslexic. So, oh yeah, so this. Make sure if you get anything. This guy. I always want to try this guy out. I've been wondering about these guys forever. They've been around. These little blending wands been around for decades, not just decades. So they are good for making mayonnaise. Oh yeah, you need to put the mayonnaise somewhere. So I use an old sauce jar. So let's begin. Shout out to the Chat Hound, the lady who produced this Chat Hound video. She too was a victim of being stuck indoors during the COVID situation. So she got to get creative so she can be bored. So she made quite a few videos. And one is to make mayonnaise based on her, I think one of her relatives' old recipes. And I got to give it a shot for the first time, see how well I do on it. First, you need 1 cup of the olive oil. Now, if you have to use extra virgin olive oil, there's some say use some canola oil to cut down the power of it. Yeah, it will help if you take this off. Yeah. Intelligence 101. Okay. 1 cup. But it's light oil, so it's not that serious. That's the good news about that. And that should be about good. That's 1. Okay. Crack an egg. Putting it ready, so see, can I, yeah, how about this? There you go. Okay. Name of the game is not to make a mess. Okay. Perfect. Okay. There you go. Bad news. Yeah. This is what I just found out, and I'm screaming at myself. This will not fit in this. So, I had to improvise. Use this Tupperware, good old fashioned. I don't know how it's going to be effective with pouring it, but let's find out. I don't think not too much. Okay. I had to go tad more olive oil. That's about it, I imagine. Okay, so I was hoping to use this jar, but the mouth's not big enough. I should have thought better. Live and learn. Just put a little bit of olive oil here. Not a lot. Okay. Okay. I went to the kitchen. Because 11.5. Oh, none of the seeds going on. In fact, I got all the seeds out, but yeah, this is gonna be different doing like in a more tighter container. Let's see. crap. Okay. Deal with that later. Next we need, this is what I got so far, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Okay. Cool. That's salt. That's out of the way. This one I'm kind of reluctant on, but I'm going to try. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, but this time, aha, I'm on to you this time. He's tricking me this time again. Good Dijon mustard. Okay. Okay, now, without making too much of a mess. Okay. Oh, this is more than enough. Carefully. There we go. Okay, put this back here. Next is the pepper, which she kind of do a little guesstimate on it based on what she did. So I gotta be very careful. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the pepper. I'm not a big pepper fan, to be honest. Have been since I was a kid. I know people who loves pepper. You know what? I think it's more than enough. So I might add something else to it anyway, though. Pepper's history. That'll be if it's still there. Yes. Minced garlic. Not a lot, a little bit. Because this is going to be intense as it is by itself. So. So this might be okay. Now, mind you, this is a major risk. I pretty much altering everything else already, you know, but this is like a major risk, adding minced garlic. Woo! Okay, now comes the fun part. This guy. Okay, you gotta cover it with the egg, start low and go high. So, as you can see it for yourself. Hold it. Whoa. This is getting wild. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I'm not sure you can see this. In my assignment, I turned up a mistake. Hold on a sec. This time I look like Mayo here, folks. Hold on a sec. Woo! Hold on. There's a messy side, but Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is wild. Now, people say like that should be common, but here's the thing. Not everybody know how to make mayonnaise from scratch. It's one thing to see it on video, but it's one thing to do it yourself. I think that's the cool thing about it, is doing it yourself. That's the big fun in this. Wow. This looks like mayonnaise. Okay, now the nerve-breaking part. That is crazy. If I didn't know better, it almost tastes like Hellmann's. That is nuts. Oh my goodness, this is great. But I get props to Chad Hound, the lady. Not that she's a very lovely lady, but she does some nice cooking, produces videos and stuff like that. But this is insane. Later on, I'm going to incorporate this. I'm gonna make some tuna salad, you know, for my lunch for the week and all that. But this is incredible. So, folks, like I said, give it a shot. You know, we never made mayonnaise by it doesn't take that many ingredients. You can do as little as just 1 egg, half a lemon, 1 cup of olive oil, light. I did say like olive oil, egg, half a lemon, salt, pepper, and Dijon mustard. I think as little as 5 ingredients and you're good. 1 cup is fine. I think this stuff is good for about 2 weeks, but me and how I love using Mayo on it for all my sandwiches or my tuna fish and stuff like that, yeah, should be gone in less than a couple of days. But that's incredible. So, folks, like I said, I leave the recipe. I leave her link, in fact, on there as well, and also link to places like allrecipes.com. I strongly recommend you go to allrecipes.com. They are incredible for making recipes like this. But I haven't found this one. Like I said, she's great. Check out her page, but also check out allrecipes.com. So, like, share, subscribe. Hope you guys doing great. Stay blessed. Love you all.